Now let's see how we can create different versions and alias for Lambda function. So over here, you see in version, we don't have any version available, as well as in alias, there is no alias. So let's go to this code, and in order to create different versions, we have to publish it. And before publishing this code, I wanted to make some changes. Call it hello from Lambda prod. Deploy these changes. Let's test it. And you can see this is from prod. Close this one. Now I can publish a new version. Over here, I will name it as prod and publish. So version 1 has been created. Now let's go to the code and we'll make some more changes. And let's say this time we'll make it as a Lambda QA and deploy this change. Paste it. I can see this is from QA. So one option to publish is from here in the action. There is publish option, or you can publish it from this version option over here. Now this one is QA version. Publish. Go back to the Lambda function. And this time I will create one new code for development. Deploy the changes. Let's test it. And this one is from development. Now once again we can publish this code. Go to action, publish new version. I'm giving the description as development. Publish. And go back to the Lambda function. If I'll go to versions, you can see we have 3 different versions. Version 1 is for prod, 2 is for QA, and 3 is for development. Now let's create some alias. Go to alias. We'll name it prod, and this will point to first version. Weightage will keep it default. Save this one. Again, we'll go back to alias, create new alias. This one will be for QA. This will point to second version. Save this one. Again, go back to Lambda, and one more alias will create. This for development. And this development will point to latest version. Save. So there are 3 different alias we have: development, prod, and QA. Similarly, we have 3 different versions available here. Now let's open one of these alias, prod alias, and we'll test it. Let's see the output, and you can see we are getting the output Lambda prod. Close it. Best part about alias is we can easily maintain different alias to different environment. Let's say QA environment is stable and we wanted to move this QA environment code to prod. In that case, what we can do is we can go to prod alias and can edit this one. The weightage we can say like some percentage of the income traffic we wanted to pass to the QA environment. Call it 10%, or for demo I'll keep it 50%. So 50% income will be moved to QA environment and 50% will be in prod. Let's save this one. Now if we'll test this code, let's see that you can see this is from prod. Close this one, retest. This is from prod, okay, retest, and this one is from QA. So 50% traffic is moving to QA and 50% is moving to prod.